Sir, ano recommendation nyo? Automatic or manual na Innova? Sige, shoutout sa'yo, Papani, Wanat, Sam. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So, alam naman natin, Toyota Innova yan. Toyota. So, ano talaga yan? Matibay, magtatagal, reliable. And para sa akin, kung usapang maintenance lang in the long run, I think that medyo mas madaling i-maintain ang manual. But because like I said, Toyota yan, all of the things that I mentioned a while ago, para sa akin talagang tatagal din yan. And then hindi naman siguro mahirap yung mga piyesa niyan kasi alam natin napakadaming mga parts or models na makikita natin kahit saan dito sa Pilipinas. So because of those factors, and then you're asking kung ano yung mare-recommend ko, usually I really recommend automatic, guys, especially from someone who has driven manual for a lot of years. And then now, especially if depende rin sa edad, lalong lalo na kung medyo nagkakaedad ka na, pagka ganon, mas okay talaga if automatic na kagad yung bibilin mo. Sobrang komportable, relax ka lang, lalong lalo na if you're situated in a traffic prone area. Sobrang ganda ng automatic. That's my recommendation. So I made a lot of videos about Toyota Innova, no? May variant comparison pa tayo. So go ahead and watch it. Check out the playlist on our channel. See you there.